Very much. This is really terrific. The day we are here to sign Senate Bill 943 by Senator Machado, and I think this is a big day for California because this is actually our first, the creation of a re-entry facility, which is part of our overall prison reform package. And I want to thank Senator Machado for his great work for this. Without him, we wouldn't have been able to do it, and also the great work that he has done for getting the community support, which is very important when you start a facility like this. We also want to thank our hardworking people from the California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation, especially Secretary Jim Dilton, who has done an extraordinary job to make this happen. And we would not have been able to do any of this if it wouldn't have been for two people here, which is, of course, Stockton Mayor Ed Chavez and San Joaquin County Sheriff Steve Moore. I want to thank you both also very much for your hard work. Now, SB 943 is all about increasing public safety, and it will also stop the revolving door of repeat offenders and lowering our recidivism rate, which has plagued our prison system and our communities for decades. Now, when I signed our historic prison reform bill this last May, we made a commitment to increase our bed capacity by 53,000. And this is a cornerstone, this plan, to increase our beds by 16,000 for re-entry facilities. They will house inmates who are close to their release date. And what would make this different is that they will get great rehabilitation programs like counseling, anger management, substance abuse, job training, housing placement, and so on. Help that they really need to go out in the society, return to society as law-abiding citizens. The day these inmates are being sent back to their communities normally, regardless if they have been rehabilitated or not. And they get their $200, they get a bus ticket, and they get sent out, and we always hope for the best. But the fact is many of them commit new crimes, give California the highest recidivism rate in the nation. Now, these old ways of doing things make our communities less safe, and it creates dangerous overcrowding in our prisons. Now, with this bill, we will create the first re-entry facility right here at a former prison for women. And the great thing about this also is that this re-entry facilities becoming very popular for the counties. A lot of counties want to partner now with the state of California. Those inmates will be given a chance to lead crime-free lives, and that will make everyone in California safe. And this is what this is all about, is public safety. It will also help reduce our prison